How's it going, everyone? Cole back with you from Kelowna Chevrolet. Behind me is a 2018 Mazda CX-5. Let me show you all the features this one has to offer. So underneath the hood, you have a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. See here, you got these nice graphite alloy wheels. You have a second set of winter tires coming with this midsize SUV. You got the tinted windows in the back. Got the dual exhaust. You also have the power liftgate. There you see the winter tire, and you have the 60/40 folding rear seats. You also have the cargo cover up top. Close the power liftgate. Just the button up top there. It's a very nice looking SUV. And coming to the interior here, got the black on black. This is the soft touched armrest. Got your mirror and window controls. You got these real nice leather and suede seats. Coming into the interior, you got your TCS and your power lift gate down here. Trunk and fuel latches down there. You have your audio and hands-free controls. You have your cruise control. Pressing the info button changes the information on the right-hand side depending on what you want to view. And up top here is your infotainment screen. You have your climate control, heated steering wheel, and front seats. Gear select, sport mode. You have your emergency park brake, auto hold, so if you're in a hill, you don't roll back. And here is your infotainment controls here. By moving the knob over, kind of guides you to where you want to go. And you also have a universal garage door opener up on top of the mirror here. And back seat, got plenty of space here to bring down the 60/40 folding rear seats. There's just this latch up top here. Got the cup holders in the middle with a tray with a couple USB inputs there. Nice addition. Thank you guys for watching this walk around video on the 2018 Mazda CX-5. For more information on this SUV, feel free to reach out to us 250-860-6000, or you could always drop by our dealership. We're open Monday to Saturday 9 to 6. Thank you guys again for watching. Have yourselves a great day. Bye for now.